Welcome back. This technique is one of my personal favorites, and it is particularly useful for anyone creating content. It is called few-shot prompting, and it is all about showing the AI your style rather than trying to describe it. Let me demonstrate. Few-shot prompting means giving the AI one or two examples of exactly what you want before you ask it to do the actual task. You are showing it the pattern. This is incredibly useful when you have a specific format, tone, or style that you need the AI to match, for example writing social media captions in your brand voice. Here are two examples of LinkedIn posts in my style. Example 1. Most people use AI as a search engine. The ones getting ahead use it as a thinking partner. Here is the difference. Example 2. I spent 10 years as a software engineer. Now I teach AI. Here is what that transition taught me about how people learn. Now, write a LinkedIn post in the same style about the importance of prompt engineering for business owners. Keep it under 150 words. The AI picks up the tone, the sentence rhythm, the structure. You are not describing your style, you are demonstrating it. Whenever you need the AI to match a specific voice or format, do not struggle to describe it. Just show it 2 or 3 examples and let the pattern do the work. In the next video, we are looking at chain of thought prompting, a technique that is essential for anything analytical or decision-based. I'm Oliver from Gooseberry AI. See you there.